Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at these wide fender flares designed for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. This kit is a great option for TJ owners looking for enhanced tire coverage, improved protection from debris, and a refreshed, aggressive look. All right, getting right into it, the standout feature of these fender flares is gotta be the impressive width. Measuring just over 6.5 inches wide, these flares provide significantly more coverage than the factory installed flares, which are typically only 4 inches, maybe a little bit more. This extra width on the fender is particularly helpful for Jeep owners who have upgraded to larger, wider tires because it's going to help contain debris and maintain legal compliance in areas with strict tire cover regulations if you have some tire poke going on. Constructed from durable, UV-treated thermoplastic, these flares are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions without fading or chalking up over time. The lightly textured black finish not only resists scratches, but also complements the rugged aesthetic of the Wrangler. Additionally, the flares can conceal existing damage like rust around the wheel wells, providing a cost-effective solution for improving the vehicle's appearance. All right, diving deeper into the construction here, it's gonna all be about durability and performance. Made from high-quality thermoplastic, like I mentioned earlier, these fender flares are engineered to resist cracking, warping, and UV damage. The material's resilience ensures that the flares maintain their shape and finish over time, even when exposed to off-road conditions and those varying weather elements. The flare's design also allows for flexibility, accommodating the natural movements and vibrations during that off-roading and daily driving. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that mid $200 price range for the set of all four. Considering the enhanced coverage, the durable construction, and the aesthetic improvement, these are a solid value for Jeep Wrangler TJ owners looking to upgrade their fender flares. Installation is straightforward, so we're rating this one just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 1 hour of your time. The kit is designed as a direct fit replacement for those factory flares, so that should help the install process just a bit. Now, as far as tools go for this job, you're just really gonna need some basic hand tools like a screwdriver set and some pliers to help get those clips out. And also a plastic trim tool set could come in really handy for not scratching the paint. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our extreme terrain customers and see exactly how these go on your Jeep.
Yes, I will start from the front fender's flare and show the bolts. 1, 2, 3 bolts, and the nuts fastened to the body, as I already explained you. Other one, like this, it is a screw, and from the other side will be plastic nuts. Yes, we will start from the tuning light. Tuning light has only one lashing device on the low part, and we unscrew. Okay. Now take the tuning light off and turn this one. Now we will use pillars and 8mm scale. So fast plastic nuts by pillars. Use the K reversible and unscrew. Okay, as I explained you before, we have here screw with head, 8mm and plastic nuts. Okay, next one here, and screw. It was the last screw with the plastic nut. Now we have bolt connected to the hull, as explained before. There is no any space for the plastic nuts. Yes, it's only bolt. One more bolt. And the last one. Okay, if I not miss anything, we can take off. Yes, yes, it is take off. I bring new fenders fire, as you can see everything good. Very nice. And now we start to make. I will start from this part. It's more easy. Now we continue with screw and plastic nuts. Okay. Can say that new lashing is good. This screw, you can use a screwdriver as well, not only key, yes, and washer, more stronger, and same plastic nuts. With hole, one more here. I prefer reversible key. It's very good, suitable, and all work is easy and fast. Okay, and the last three lashing. What I can say, everything is good because all is suitable, same, and not make any adjustment or anything. Just put and start to make fast. It is good because sometimes it's necessary make the extra hole or just cut something. I don't like it, but sometimes it's necessary. Here is everything good, bolt in bolt. The last thing is the tuning light. Check. Is okay. Very nice. First of all, necessary to make the fast lamp. So this so I finish installing front fender flare. Let's start take away rear fenders flare, but the process is different. I will show you. There is a protection of body plastic, and this protection give us permission to unscrew some bolt. There no space here. Everything covered by protection. As the size of this bolt. Okay. To remove protection, it's necessary unscrew this bolt. Yes, it is a fast protection. Another bolt. This one. And the three plastic plug. Yes, now I show you where the plastic plug was. It was here. This place. 1, 2, and 3. Continue to unlash protection. It's necessary to remove. It is not so difficult. Good. Take away the fender's flag. I will start from this one. This one, and after this one, it's two connected to the hull. Yes, and after we'll see. Same like the front part. Some of nuts which fastened in the hull, but some has screw and plastic nuts. Yeah, I just show you. 4 rest, 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. Start from this one. The last one lower connected to the body nuts. That one screw with plastic nuts, and I hope last one. Now take off the factory fender's flag. Continue here. One more here. And 3 more. One is here. one is here. And the last one. Finders fly equipped. Now it's necessary to put the protection, and that's all. Okay. And now necessary make fast this part by plastic plug or knob. It's 3 pieces. It's finished now. I finish installation on right size, passenger size, and everything the same on the left side. You can see it's already equipped with new fenders, left size, passenger size. Finished, it is left size, drive size. Yes, completed. Everything here the same.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the wide fender flares for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.